Hello and welcome everyone to Akash YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you these two beautiful castings. This is a Toyota Supra RZ model done by Ignition Model brand. So this is the first time I'm showing an Ignition model in my channel. Second time. So before I have showed my Toyota GT86 models. You can check on there. So this is Toyota Supra version. I bought this from Tarmac Works website. You know, Tarmac Works and Ignition Model, they are doing a collaboration thing, so you can buy Ignition Model castings on Tarmac Works website as well. Alright, so it's the Supra. This is very popular casting among the collectors. This is a pretty cool one actually, especially the Ignition Model ones. You know, they are pretty well detailed castings. All right, enough chit chat. So let's remove. So it comes with this type of a plastic bag. Let's remove these two covers and keep it aside. So this one is the gold color version, and this is the silver one with this black bonnet. So again, if you're familiar with the Ignition Model car, so it comes with this type of standard boxing. igmodel.com, that's their website. Ignition Model, and all the details are here. Toyota Supra JZA80 RZ gold 1:64 scale, and all this Japanese stuff, licensing and everything. All right, let's remove this from this plastic cover. I have to do it very carefully because I destroyed one of my other cardboard cover. Alright, let's keep this aside, and this one as well. Alright. Okay, I'll leave this one here. Alright, check this out. This is very beautiful casting. Sorry about the glare, I didn't put any lights on. Natural light comes from the window. So, wow, very beautiful casting. Let's open this one slowly. Oh, check the base. You can see the this metal plate saying Supra Ignition Model JZA80. So this is the limited production, I suppose. And see this plastic base. It has this red stitching kind of details, and limited production. There you go. So this is a limited production version, and there you go. What a beautiful model. So, and all right, let's unscrew this one first and discuss about this casting afterwards. I have my little trusty screwdriver. I don't want to drop these ones. Oops. There you go. Let's keep this aside. All right, there you go. Check this out. This one is a pure gold color version. So the chassis, this one is so let's start from the wheels. So these wheels, they are not rolling. So these ones are pretty. So this is not rolling. This is no. So this one is equipped with these BBS LM type 19-inch wheels. So these are the polished gunmetal ones. And if you guys can check, this is the large diameter muffler GT wing specification. This is the GT wing. You can see the Supra logo and detailed tail light as well. And wow, I love these these exhausts as well. Oh, cool details. And so the body is made out of die-cast metal material. The chassis, interior, and these plates and wheels are made out of ABS resin. And yeah, so wow, beautiful. Check this out. Check the front. All the details are there. Front lights, signal lights. And here are the wheels. White body. Oh, beautiful casting. You know, I like to collect this type of premium models. You know, these are very beautiful in my collection. I have a special plan to create my Hot Wheels room soon. I'll let you guys know about my plans. Anyway, so far, so there you go. Sorry about the noise. My wife is calling her parents. So yeah, you know, the chatterboxes. All right, let's open this one first out of the box. Same thing, Supra logo, limited production. Right. Right, let's take this thing out. Whoa! So this is silver with this carbon bonnet hood. Apart from that, all the details are similar, I guess. Oh, these wheels are different to the previous version. So if you guys can check, so this one has the what do you call, BBS LM type 19-inch wheels, and this one equipped with the Advan Racing GT type wing, 19-inch wheels, black ones. So if you guys can closely check, you can see the disc brake and the disc as well through these wheels. Wow, beautifully done. So check this out, check this one. I think it's pretty similar. The only difference is the color and the bonnet. Wow, check this out. Very beautiful. There are a few models, the same model and color variations coming soon. You can do the pre-orders as well. I saw the greenish color one and few other color variants. Tick tick tick. So you guys can pre-order stuff, but these kind of models, these are like high-end expensive stuff. So I normally collect one or two basic versions. So if I'm going to collect all the color variations, I'll be out of money. So I think these two will be enough for my collection. Yeah, so the base is plastic and you can see the screws as well. Wow, beautiful. So alright guys, thanks for watching. This is another quick video anyway. So if you guys haven't followed me on YouTube, please subscribe me down here, like, share and subscribe, and comment as well. And if you haven't subscribed me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram as well. I'll upload few photos of these cars to my Instagram channel and my two favorite Lego models. You can check that video on right here on top as well. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you with another video soon. Bye.